loose. Matt and Bird, break 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 loose.
Okay, I'll have an extra large cherry. Oh. Is this the biggest size they come in?
Okay, I got the scuba gear. Come on, Bird, let's go. Wow, our own sunken treasure. What do you think will be in it? Gold?
That's a hard trick.
Bird?
Hey, what's that?
That is, okay, what are they doing? Oh, that's a wakeboard tournament. Oh my gosh, this stuff is heavy.
Hold on, a wakeboard tournament?
Yeah. I saw it on TV. It's like surfing, but behind a boat, and then they do these crazy tricks, like this. Oh my gosh. And the best trick wins the prize. There, that golden cup. Okay.
What do you think you can put in that cup?
Oh, that? Anything you want, man. Come on, baby. That's your cup if you win it. Okay, come on. Help me put on this rebreather.
Hey, let's join the tournament.
No, we're not going to do the tournament. We got a whole other plan. We're going to find our own sunken treasure, remember?
Right.
Oh, this is so heavy. I need your help with getting on the flippers. Ow!
Right. I guess that means you don't want to be on TV.
What? TV?
Yeah, it looks like the smoothest wakeboarder gets to be on TV.
Smooth? I can be smooth.
No, you're right. We're not smooth enough to be on TV.
That's it. We're entering the wakeboard tournament.
All right, let's go.
Woo! Gotta be smooth. Gotta be smooth. Gotta be smooth.
Excuse me. I really want to win. So, how do you wakeboard?
Oh, bro, it's just like pull in, smack the lip, drop down, and then after that, you just drop in, you just ride the barrel and get pitted. So pitted like that. Pull back.
Whoa. You know, Bird, I think maybe, Whoa! Stop! Stop! What? I don't know what to do! Oh, okay. Go! Whoa!
Out of nowhere, Indy 720. Up next, we got contestant 33.
Okay. So what did he say? Just drop in, smack the lip, get pitted. That's it. Yeah.
Who's letting these guys compete?
Okay.
Whoa! Huge Superman tail grab!
Okay, you want to out-smooth me?
900!
Matt. Only one way to win.
33 hitting the wake. Big air. Whoa. Drops the rope. 33 is literally flying! How is it possible? And lands it! 33! That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Get the cup and give it to number 30. Wait a minute.
Matt, stop! Matt! Put me down. Put me down. Let me through. Let me through. Matt.
Was I smooth?
Let's go find that sunken treasure.
Okay, I'm still good for the treasure plan. Oh
My snow cone.
Whoa. Give me one lick.